Hi, it's Joe Wiessner Realty with a just listed home of the day in Folsom, New Jersey. And I'm at 1315 Mays Landing Road in beautiful Folsom. And if you like rural living, this house could be the one for you. It's no frills. It might need a little bit of work. It's being sold as is, but you could certainly make this home your own. It's 3 beds, 2.5 baths, 1,554 square feet. It's got natural gas heat, and it's on just roughly about a third of an acre. Stepping inside through the French doors, kitchen, which opens up to a dining area. And you can see you got your washer and dryer right off of the kitchen. And as well, adjacent is a half bath, very convenient. Walk into the public areas, you have a family room and a dining room, formal, really well equipped. The windows were replaced. They're not new, but they're not real old either. This would be bedroom number 3. This is bedroom number 2. And this would be the master bedroom with the full master suite attached. Here's a closer look. Double vanity, everything you need. This is the bathroom that's off of the landing on the 2nd floor. So upstairs you have 3 beds and 2 full baths. If you like the content, make sure that you please subscribe to the channel. And this way you get alerted whenever we have these new listings that come up. When you subscribe, you'll get a notification every time we post a new listing, which is often. And if you have a family member that might love this property, make sure that you share the property with them. And if you'd like to have your own private tour of the property, just call this number right here above, and I'll have one of my best agents come out, show you the property, and maybe you'll love it and make an offer on it. If not, we have many others that we could show you throughout South Jersey. The kids go to Folsom Elementary School, that's K through 8. And once they get to high school age, they go to Hammonton High School, so you get the best of all worlds. So you're in rural America here. Folsom is quintessential rural living. Taxes are low, the people are friendly, and you have the freedom to kind of do what you want with your life out here. There's not a whole lot of interloping going on. Natural gas heat, taxes are low, nice sized property, needs a little bit of work, being sold as is, but you can do this. And as always, Joe Wiessner hopes to see you at the settlement table.